Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video we're going to look at Unich Airdrop listing date. They have brought the official listing date of Unich. So if you look here, you can see that we are currently on the Unich S account. So looking down here, their latest update 1 hour ago, you can see from this update they said, looking at this, so we are going to see what they have to say. If you're coming across this channel for the first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to like, share and subscribe. Turn on the bell notification. You can as well join our WhatsApp group, our Telegram channel for high value updates. So here you can see 1 hour ago, they say over the past period of time, the community has continuously asked one question: what is Unich cooking? So today we are officially saying out loud what many have been waiting to hear. This is what we have been waiting to hear. Now the first point, they say Unich network. The next missing pieces of the Unich ecosystem is finally revealed. This is a product built with one single guiding principle, that is the freedom. They say that the UN that we are mining is a freedom token. Now, so they say scheduled to launch in the first week of February 2026. So the freedom token is scheduled to launch on February 2026. They say Unich network marks a major milestone in Unich journey to expand its ecosystem. So it is no longer a rumor. They have clarified us what we all have been waiting to hear, that the freedom token, which is the Unich, is going to be launched first week of February 2026. So here they also continued and they said here, more than 5.6 million users who joined the FD Point airdrop campaign will become the very first user of Unich network. Are you ready for the moment? Let's move one step closer to freedom with Unich. They are trying to let us know that the Unich project has 5.6 million users. I hope they have the money they are going to reward us. Not after wasting our time, they will give us peanuts. But I believe they are going to do well. So let's watch this little video here. You can see Unich. Let's watch the little video, Unich. And they say, catch your freedom. This is the freedom, the UN token. So let's watch the time, the hours and all that. So let's see, it is time to chase your true freedom. Starting 2nd January 2026, Unich network. So it is now official. So what do you think? What do you think? And also 1 hour ago, they say Unich Network is the first and only platform that combines blockchain with social networking. The project will launch with more than 5.6 million existing users and is expected to reach 1 million downloads shortly after release. As Unich Network continues to grow, you will be among the pioneers with access to exclusive benefits from this one-of-a-kind ecosystem. So this is their latest update. I hope you are still active on your Unich airdrop. So how many FD points do you have so far? How many FD points? I hope you are still mining. This is the last phase, so make sure that you are active. No matter what, keep restarting your mining session and accumulate more points. So that is it for this video. I believe you got value from this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on the bell notification for more updates. Thank you guys.